Incoming cherries delivered under cold chain control. Lots are identified and held for quality release.
The technician uses a refractometer to measure the sugar content of the cherries.
Defective fruit is separated before processing.
Approved lots are released to processing.
Released fruit is staged for controlled feeding. Fruit is gently discharged into the intake hopper. Foreign debris is removed before washing. Washing begins to remove field contaminants. Gentle water movement loosens soil and debris. Air bubbles enhance surface cleaning. Final rinse removes loosened residues.
Sanitizer is applied at controlled concentration. Residual sanitizer is removed before inspection.
Excess surface water is removed. Air knives dry fruit surfaces before inspection.
Optical systems detect color and defects.
Accepted fruit advances to preparation. Fruit spacing is stabilized before pitting. Cherries are positioned for precise stone removal.
Stones are mechanically removed and segregated.
Pitted fruit advances without stones. Purification ensures no stones remain. Short buffering stabilizes downstream flow. Fruit is rinsed after mechanical pitting. Residual juice and tissue are removed. Surface moisture is reduced before crushing. Fruit is crushed to release pulp. Crushed mash is transferred for pulp extraction. Mechanical pulping separates soft pulp.
Extracted pulp is collected continuously.
Refines pulp texture. Fine particles are screened for uniformity. Pulp is transferred under hygienic conditions. Buffering stabilizes downstream processing. Fiber is cooled before milling. Dried pomace is milled into powder. Particle size is standardized. Finished fiber is packed for storage.
Gentle agitation maintains uniform pulp.
In-process checks verify pulp parameters.
Soluble solids and acidity are confirmed.
Pulp is transferred for standardization. Blending evens natural variability.
Flow and composition are stabilized.
Trained air is removed to protect quality.
Product is brought to pasteurization temperature.
Time and temperature are controlled as CCP. Only compliant product proceeds downstream. Product is cooled to aseptic filling temperature. Sterile transfer prevents recontamination. Surge tank buffers aseptic filling. Equipment cleanliness is verified before filling. Sterile pulp enters aseptic packaging. Sterile filling protects product integrity. Each bag is hermetically sealed. Traceability information is applied. Net weight is automatically verified. Seal integrity is confirmed visually. Approved packs accumulate for palletizing. Automated palletizing ensures stability. Pallets are wrapped for transport stability. Pallets receive final identification. Product is stored under controlled conditions.
Storage temperature and hygiene are continuously monitored.
Loads are sealed for traceability.
Product leaves the facility for customers. Pallets are washed to hygiene standards. Clean pallets are dried before reuse.
Clean pallets are stored separately.
Utilities support thermal processing.
Critical limits are continuously recorded.
Sterile conditions are verified during filling.
Samples are retained for shelf life verification.
Documentation completes product release.
Stocks are cleared after shipment. Lines are prepared for cleaning. Cleaning solution removes organic residues. Rinsing removes cleaning chemicals. Mineral deposits are removed. Cleaning effluent is routed to treatment. Waste streams are balanced before treatment.
Oxygen supports biological degradation.
Treated water is clarified before discharge. Byproducts are stored separately for shipment.
Storage conditions are monitored.
Processing areas are cleared after operations. Aseptic vessels are verified empty.
Critical equipment condition is verified.
Production batches are formally closed.
Equipment is set to standby after operations. Processing cycle is complete.